Hey there, this is Ben All with Bellamax Realty Group at Keller Williams, and today we are at 673 Farmstead Drive in Arlington. So this is in the Southwind Meadows neighborhood. We're not far off of 360, so great highway access, easy access to schools. It's a much newer neighborhood. This particular home was built in 2019. So we are basically a single story. The only thing that's upstairs is a really large game room with a half bath. Great floor plan in that regard. And the neighborhood's fantastic. So got a community pool, walking trails, easy access to shopping, and like I said, close to 360. This particular house is 2242 square feet. It's a total of 4 bedrooms, and as I mentioned, all are down. It is a split bedroom arrangement. We've got 2 full and 1 half baths in the house, and then it's just a full open floor plan. So kitchen, living, dining all together. These folks added a fireplace into the living area, so it's fantastic. Makes it very cozy and feel good. Extended patio in the back, 2-car garage. Great home. Come out and take a look at it. So as you come on up to the front of this house, you'll notice that we've got a really great covered front patio, front porch. Just makes it very cozy, feel like home. And then as you come inside, great open hallway, super wide. And then all of the secondary bedrooms are right off of this hallway at the front. So you've got 2 bedrooms on the right side with a bath between, and then the 3rd bedroom is off the hallway towards the laundry. Garage is at the front. You've got full laundry area. And then as you come down the hallway, you'll see it opens up into the huge living space. So you've got living, dining, kitchen, great layout, lots of cabinet space, lots of counter space, walk-in pantry, great backyard, brick fence across the back, and then you've got an extended patio, and then the master sits in the back right corner. So good sized master. You've got a bathroom with a shower, and then you've got a big walk-in closet, a double vanity. So really great home, 2242 square feet. Upstairs, it's got its own half bath, so great for a playroom for the kids, great for an office space, great for a media room, however it would best fit your family's needs. So again, this is 673 Farmstead Drive in Arlington. We are Mansfield Schools, so that's a huge plus for you as well. Come out and take a look at it. We'd love to sell it to you and make it your home.